Hi everyone! Today's video is all about abs exercises. Well, especially sa ating mga babae, as much as possible, gusto natin lumit yung abs natin, right? Lalo na yung puso natin. Kasi ang hirap talaga, especially kapag as you age, because of our hormones, even na konti lang yung kinakain natin, lumalaki talaga yung tiyan natin. That's because of our hormones. So, as much as possible, gawa natin ang paraan by doing abs exercises, right? And most of us, mommies, working moms, parang it's already, ang pagpunta natin sa gym, parang it's very expensive or parang ang hirap because we're so busy. So, gumawa ako ng video about abs exercises that you can do at home. This is just a 10 to 15 minutes of exercise. Depende sa'yo. Depende sa speed mo. Depende din sa kung ilang ang threshold mo when doing it. So, I'll share it to you. And I hope you will like it. This is actually a long overdue abs exercises that fortunately nagkaroon ng technical problems sa video. So that's why ngayon ko lang siya na-upload. Anyhow, I hope you will like it. And I am doing this with Coach June Coriados, my coach who I credited a lot with my weight loss journey. Alright, so join me. And I hope you will like it. Right?
Getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire.
Right, so coach, ano ang una natin gagawin?
Okay, ang una na gagawin is elbow to knee crunch. So, itong gawin is mahiga, arms up, higa.
This is elbow to knee crunch.
Okay, so we do 15 counts and okay, and ready, go, and
It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
next,
So this is 15 pounds, right?
next is heel touch exercise.
So,
Continue workout. Ang pahiga. So next is push through. Okay, and ready.
diretso lang.
Okay, so lang and move.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say.
So next is after next release.
And then feel guys na masakit na. You will see that it's different if masakit na yung part mo.
After next release. Okay, lagay natin yung kamay natin sa back. Up, down, and one. Okay, ready. And up.
We keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for
Exercise. Your legs. In and drop. Together with your shoulder. And ready, and one. The fly. The fly. Okay. Next is the
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. Your legs, arms, and feet together. Go. 1, 2. Next, your best leg, knee crunch. Like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You were never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's why I love you.
Okay, the leg is to reaching. So, the legs, like a stroke, and reach your toes. Forward. And you start one. And ready, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 14, viewers and we go ahead.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire.
Okay, next one.
Rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say.
Okay, next, you're ready,
So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win.
Superman.
We're like a like a fire, unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this.
Alright, so I hope you liked today's video. So I would appreciate if you want to give comments and suggestions about the video, the exercises. This is very easy abs exercises. So I would appreciate if you can give comments below. And please remember, guys, whenever you do exercises, when you do exercises like cardio ba yan, Zumba ba yan, or yung mag weights ka, or you do circuit training, you have to make sure that you listen to your body. If pag hindi na kaya, you have to stop. So, para this is also to avoid injury. And of course, always drink lots of water, because based on experience, guys, I used to hindi ako masyadong umiinom ng water before, but then na-dehydrate ako. So, you have to make sure to drink lots of water, especially if you sweat a lot. So, yeah, we need to drink a lot of water. So, please give your comments below. what do you think about these exercises, and if what you if nagawa niyo na siya or na-follow niyo siya. I would appreciate if you can give your comments as well, and you can also give some suggestions. All right, so I would like to thank Coach June Colliados and also to U3 Fitness Center for allowing me to use their facility. Their Facebook page is on the description below of this video, so check them out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next videos. So also, I would appreciate if you can give suggestion as well on what type of videos that we're going to that you would like to see. All right, so thank you so much for being there for me.